The journey of food from farms to fork involves several key stages, each critical in ensuring that food reaches consumers safely and sustainably. Here's a detailed overview. Food production begins on farms where crops are grown or animals are raised. Farmers use various techniques, including traditional farming, organic methods, and modern technology to cultivate food. Once the crops are mature or animals are ready for processing, they are harvested. This can involve manual labor or machinery, depending on the scale of production. After harvesting, many foods undergo processing to enhance their shelf life, flavor, and safety. This can include washing, cutting, cooking, and packaging. For animal products, processing may involve slaughtering, butchering, and packaging for distribution. The processed food is then transported to various locations, including distribution centers, warehouses, and retail outlets. This stage often involves cold storage to maintain freshness, especially for perishable items. Transportation can happen via trucks, trains, ships, or planes, depending on the distance and nature of the food. Food is distributed to supermarkets, grocery stores, restaurants, and other retailers. This network can be local, regional, or global, highlighting the interconnectedness of food systems worldwide. At retail locations, food is displayed for consumers to purchase. This stage is crucial for marketing, where packaging and presentation play significant roles in attracting buyers. Finally, food reaches the consumer's plate, where it is prepared and enjoyed. This stage can involve cooking, seasoning, and serving, making the meal a cultural experience. After consumption, food waste is generated. Managing this waste is an essential part of the food journey, with efforts focusing on composting, recycling, and reducing waste through better planning and education. Throughout this journey, various factors such as sustainability, food safety, and ethical practices are increasingly important, influencing how food is produced, processed, and consumed globally.